Today I'm going to show you how to turn a pretty simple bowl from a pretty dry piece of maple. You don't need a lot of different tools to turn a basic bowl. Instead of having a lot of tools, a lot of instruments, making a lot of decoration, we are going pretty simple today. And I'm going to show you which different tools, different gouges we are going to work with today. Here I have 3 different gouges. Actually, we could just use 2 of them. The most versatile gouge here is a bowl gouge. As I learned from Glenn Lucas, it's very nice and functional to grind away the small heel down here. Pretty simple, very nice tool. This one is a Hamlet. Then I have a spindle gouge, which is more for the outside and some small decorational cuts. The last one here is also a Hamlet, a very stumpy one. But this is very good for when you have those steep corners or a very deep bottom of the bowl. But before we start to turn, I always start every project with some sharpening. And as in my other videos, of course, it's done on the Tormek. So let's do that. So with sharpened tools, I think we are ready to turn the bowl. yeah, when screws break, I hate it. I ended up turning this one, and this is a pretty basic bowl. For me personally, I almost always have that small lip around, and if I mean in function that might be a bit more brittle if you drop it, but for me and what I like and my style, I just love that small lip because I think it's a very nice decoration. So I hope you learned just a few tips and tricks for starting on your own bowl. This is a more watch and learn, and in other future videos I will make a bit more teaching. So see you next time, and like and subscribe if you want more of my videos. Take care, and see you soon.